In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Calendar to CSV. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're all set up and ready to go. You'll need a computer and access to your Google Calendar. Once you have these, open your web browser of choice and navigate to Google Calendar. This is our starting point, the home base for organizing our events, reminders, and appointments. First, we're going to access the settings area to begin the export process. Look to the top right corner of your Google Calendar. There you'll find the recognizable gear icon, which serves as the entryway to a multitude of calendar settings. Go ahead and click on it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings, take a glance at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to select Import and Export. This section will allow us to move forward with exporting the calendar data we want. Within the Import and Export menu, focus your attention on the Export option. This is where you'll take the next step by clicking on Export. What this action does is initiate the download of a .zip file straight to your computer. Now what you'll have is a zip file. Opening this file may show you one or more ICs files depending on how many calendars you've chosen to export. These ICs files are essentially digital representations of your calendar data, capturing your events and settings. Since our final goal is to convert your calendar into a CSV format, you might be considering how to proceed from here. Unfortunately, Google Calendar doesn't directly offer a CSV export feature, but we do have a way around it. To continue transforming these ICs files into a CSV format, you'll need to use a third-party tool or an online converter. Many are available with a simple search online, and most are efficient and easy to use. Upload your .ics file to the chosen tool and follow its specific instructions to convert the file to CSV. Remember, depending on the sensitivity or privacy of your calendar data, it's always wise to ensure that the conversion tool you choose is trustworthy and maintains a good data privacy policy. Once your .ics files are successfully converted into CSV format, you have your calendar data ready for use or sharing in spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This format allows you flexibility for analyzing and managing your data in a way that's most useful for you, whether it's organizing a project schedule or keeping track of personal appointments. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Google Calendar to a CSV. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this process straightforward.